Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be looking at logarithms. Now, the first thing with logarithms is all logs will have a base for say 2 and an exponential. And here we'll just say x. Now this could equal 4 or whatever the question will ask. And here you have to find x. Now with log, we can move this over. Now we have x equals 2 to the power 4. Now that means that x is just 16. But what happens if we say log x2 equals 4? Then we just do the same thing, move it over. 2 equals x to the power 4. Then we just fourth root it. X equals 2 root 4. Now let's look at a harder question. Log 3 x plus 2 plus log 3 x minus 1 equals 2. Now first, we would bring all the logs over to the same side, but in this question, that's already done for us. And now we can see that both of them have the same base, which means we can just put them together. So this is the product rule, and we would just do log 3 bracket, another bracket, x plus 2, close bracket, x minus 1, and another close bracket. Now, if this wasn't plus, say this was minus instead, then it wouldn't be x plus 2 times x minus 1. Instead, it'd be x plus 2 divided by x minus 1. But in this question, it is plus. Now this equals 2. And here we can just do, hold on, this is not an x, this is 3. Okay, now we can just bring the log over to the other side. X plus 2 multiplied by x minus 1 equals 3 to the power 2. And this is just the same thing as 9. Now, if we expand these brackets, we get x squared plus x minus 2 equals 9. Then we can bring this 9 over. So then we get minus 11 equals 0. And if we look here, this is just a quadratic equation. And we can either just factorize it or use the quadratic formula. And if we use the quadratic formula or factorize it, if we use the quadratic formula, we will get x equals 2.86 and x equals minus 3.86. Now, the thing with logs is that you're not allowed to use these minuses, meaning that this answer is invalid. Meaning the answer to this question is 2.86.